generous, selfish. The generous girl always shares things with her friends. The selfish boy keeps his lunch and never shares it. Artificial, natural, he wears an artificial wig to cover his bald head. Her natural hair is long and silky. Attractive, unattractive. She is wearing a very attractive dress. The man wears unattractive clothes, making him look bad. Careful, careless. The careful driver keeps both hands on the steering wheel. The careless driver uses his phone while driving. Brave, cowardly. The brave firefighter saved the cat. The cowardly boy ran away from the angry dog. Strong, weak. The strong man can easily lift heavy weights. The weak man can't lift heavy things. Confident, shy. The confident student stands proudly in front of the class. The shy student looks at the floor. Cheerful, gloomy. The cheerful girl always smiles. She feels gloomy after losing her ring. Crowded, empty. The crowded street was full of people. There were no people on the empty street. Calm, nervous. The girl feels calm while listening to music. The boy was very nervous for his test results. Interesting, boring. The girl enjoyed reading the interesting book. The boy hated the boring book. Safe, dangerous. It is safe to keep seatbelts fastened while in the car. It is dangerous to sit in a car without wearing a seatbelt. Polite, rude. She is polite and respects everyone. The rude woman always shouted at others. Organized, disorganized. Her files are neatly organized in drawers. It's difficult to find files in the disorganized drawers. Quiet, noisy. The girl was quiet and she listened carefully. The noisy boy screamed very loudly and disturbed everyone. Optimistic, pessimistic. The optimistic lady always looks on the bright side. The pessimistic man always expects bad things to happen. Direct. Indirect. The direct route went straight to the airport. The indirect route went through several streets, then to the airport. Affordable. Expensive. We rented an affordable house. They bought an expensive house. Ancient. Modern. The ancient monument is thousands of years old. We stayed in a modern hotel with glass walls. Comfortable. Uncomfortable. We sat on a comfortable sofa. He didn't enjoy sitting on the uncomfortable chair. Honest. Dishonest. The honest boy told the truth. The dishonest man lied to everyone. Easy. Difficult. All students were able to do the easy question. The difficult question confused many students. Convenient. Inconvenient. Online shopping is convenient and saves time. In-store shopping is inconvenient and takes more time. Valuable. Worthless. The gemstone is valuable and costs a lot of money. The torn banknote is worthless and can't be used. Flexible. Inflexible. The flexible gymnast can bend her body easily. The inflexible man struggles to bend his body. Legal. Illegal. It is legal to park here. It is illegal to park your car near a no parking sign. Formal. Informal. He wore a formal suit. She wore an informal outfit. Friendly. Unfriendly. The friendly boy made everyone happy and had many friends. The unfriendly boy prefers to be alone. Healthy. Unhealthy. She ordered a healthy meal. He ordered an unhealthy meal. Private. Public. He travels all over the world in his private jet. People in the town use public transport to go to work. Permanent. Temporary. They built a permanent swimming pool in their backyard. They set up an inflatable pool as a temporary pool for the summer. Spacious. Cramped. This room is spacious and can fit many people comfortably. The cramped room can't fit many people easily. Familiar. Unfamiliar. I saw some familiar faces. She saw an unfamiliar face.